Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play ranked Overwatch 2 crossplay. First, you will need to enable cross-platform play within your game settings. This allows you to connect with friends on different systems. Next, ensure all your friends are added using their battle.net ID, which includes a unique numerical tag. Remember, console players will have aim assist enabled during cross-platform matches, which is an important consideration for gameplay. To unlock ranked play, you must first achieve 50 quick play wins. This ensures players have a foundational understanding of the game. When forming a group for competitive matches, every member must meet these same requirements. It is crucial to understand that cross-platform ranked play is specifically limited to console players queuing together, maintaining a balanced competitive environment. It is important to note a key distinction in Overwatch 2's ranked crossplay. PC players are unable to queue for ranked matches with console players. This means that if you are on a console, your ranked matches will only include other console players. This design choice helps to ensure fairness and competitive integrity, as different input methods, like mouse and keyboard versus controller, offer distinct advantages. To maximize your success in ranked crossplay, effective communication is paramount. Always use voice chat to coordinate with your team and make strategic calls. Before diving into competitive, spend time practicing with your preferred heroes in quick play to hone your skills. Remember, focusing on objective control and working together as a cohesive unit are key strategies for climbing the competitive ladder.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.